In this video, I will show you guys step by step how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook correctly so you can earn commission. So make sure to watch this video until the end because I will share with you new methods, new strategies, and if you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this. Just in the last 7 days, I made $5,512 as you can see in commissions using free traffic promoting my Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook. This is my clicks, my CTR, and so on. So for people who want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates, step number one, you need to go to Google and search for Fiverr, search for this website, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this, keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. They are really paying some good commissions up to $150. So just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you can see guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no, and choose your country and choose your language. If you have a Skype account, you can put your account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. Okay, so what you will do next, you need to choose a good services that you will promote on Facebook to people who will be interested to buy those services so you can earn commission. You cannot promote any services that you like or that you think it's gonna work. No, you need to choose good and services that people will be interested to buy from you. So here is what you will do. You will go back to Fiverr, go back to your Fiverr homepage and click over here on the search and search for video editing. Okay, search for video editing service, scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. So for example, I'm gonna choose, let me show you. So for example, let's choose one of those sellers like this one. You guys can see this one. This one is top rated seller, has over 1,000 reviews, which is a really good. So I will click on this seller service. You will be directly in this seller profile page. 3 orders in queue, over 2,000 people paid for this service, which is really good. This seller is good. So what you will do, you will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, and you have payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on dip link, put this seller profile link here, click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook, and I will show you guys what you will do. Just go and open your Facebook homepage like this and search for this group. Need a video editor. You can also search for any groups related to editing. Make sure to join all those groups. This is an example. For example, this group I took this group as an example to show you guys how you can do it. Scroll down. So for example, I will scroll down, and here you go. You will find people who are searching for video editor. I need video editor. Let's scroll down. Who is editing here in CapCut? Let's scroll down. Here is another one. I need a video editor. Let's scroll down. You can find a lot of people here searching for video editors. Those people are your customers. Those people need video editor. Okay, and this is exactly what. That's why exactly we choose this service, video editing service. So let's go back to Facebook, to this group. I will click, for example, on this person who is on his name, who is searching for video editor. I will click on message. So I will send a professional and friendly message to this person and asking him if he is still searching for video editor. Hey, for example, I saw your post on Facebook group and you are looking for video editor. You are looking for video editor. You can check this top seller on Fiverr for better editing service. Okay, and I will put my affiliate link here. So I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just started this business, you guys can see this option if you have new account, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and they still have this option for you. You should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. It's almost the same. Just copy your affiliate link from here. And this affiliate link is too much long. We need to make it short link. I can go to Google and I can search for bit.ly. It's for free. You guys can use it. Click on the first link, and you can turn your long links into short links. Okay, let me show you how you can do it. So this will be your home page. Just click on create new link and put your link here, paste, and click on create your link, and here you go. Your link will be short link like this. Copy your affiliate link, go back to Facebook and put your affiliate link here. Okay, and click on send. So if this person is still searching for video editor, he will check your message, and if he click on your affiliate link, for example, like this, he will be directly in this seller profile page. As you can see, click on continue. If he buy this service from you, you will earn commission. That's exactly how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching, and you have guys a lot of Facebook groups that you can join. It's for free. You can use free traffic. Those people in those groups, they are interested to buy those services. You can search for video editor group, logo design groups, YouTube groups, and so much more. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.